Here is something really important that every sales rep and business owner should have been taught in school. Stop using the F word with your prospects. What's the F word? It's not what you think it is. It sounds like this. I'm just following up. I'm just checking in. When you say I'm just following up, you sound like a pest. You sound like you don't know what you're doing. You sound like you only want their money, and it's incredibly annoying. And in fact, while you're dropping following up and checking in, stop saying the word I'm just altogether. You've got to bring your authority up to that next level if you want to start making the money that you deserve to make. So instead of saying, I'm just following up or checking in, try something like this. Hey, as promised, I'm calling to see if it makes sense to get the proposal in the board. Or, hey Chuck, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, I was thinking about you this morning. I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you give me a call on my mobile? You've got to be more skillful. You've got to sound like you have more credibility, and in fact, you need more credibility. If you want to get more credibility and make more money and close deals a lot easier, check us out over at Easton University for exclusive content and live training with me.